Hey guys, welcome back to Bakewithbanusamee. In this video I am going to show you guys how to make butter cookies. These are super simple with just 3 ingredients and it is melt in your mouth cookies. Let's get started. Before starting, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Do check out the full written recipe in description box below. In a bowl, add 100 grams of softened butter. Your butter should be at room temperature. Try to use good quality butter because it's only butter, flour and sugar. The flavor comes from butter. And beat for about 1 minute. To that add 50 grams of powdered sugar. If you have icing sugar, you could use that because icing sugar has cornstarch. It gives nice crispy to our cookies. But here I am using a regular sugar, which is I grind it in mixie. And beat this for about 2 minutes. Until it gets light and fluffy. Look at this. To this add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Try to use good quality vanilla essence and beat for about a minute. Now add 150 grams of all-purpose flour, maida, a pinch of salt. If you are using a salted butter, just leave that salt out. And fold with spatula until it completely combined. Look at this. Your batter may look like soft, no problem. We are going to keep it in freezer for about 1 hour so it may get hard again. Add little flour on surface and knead the dough. Do not over knead it, just fold it for 30 seconds. Here I am going to divide the dough in half because I am going to add one for almonds, chopped almonds, other one as Chocochips. If you don't want to add any almonds or choco chips, just go ahead and bake as it is. I divide the dough in half. For this, I am going to add chopped almonds. You could add chopped cashews or walnuts and gently fold it. Don't add any excess flour to this batter. If you feel the flour is too soft, do not add it. Just make a log like this. I am going to make a log. Now cling wrap it and keep it in freezer or fridge for about 1 hour. I am going to keep it in freezer for about 1 hour. You can freeze the unbaked log for about 2 to 3 months. Cling wrap it and keep it in freezer for about 1 hour. For the other half, add choco chips and gently fold it. If you don't want to add choco chips, just leave and bake as it is. Gently fold it, do not add any excess flour. This one I am not going to make a log. I am going to make it as rectangle. Make a rectangle and keep it in freezer for about 1 hour. Look at this. Our dough is ready. Now butter the pan and add the parchment paper and preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Now take a log out from freezer and start cutting. Be careful when cut the log. Look at this. To my other half, I am going to cut as a choco sticks. See, our choco sticks and almond cookies are ready. Now bake this for about 10 to 15 minutes until the sides are get golden. Our cookies are ready. Let it cool for about 10 minutes. Look at this. It's so crispy and it is melt in your mouth cookies. Look at this, the crispiness. Do try it out and let me know how it is turned out for you, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.